Full expensing provides a generous tax relief for capital expenditure, allowing you to deduct the entire cost of your investment from your profits. For example, if you were to invest $100,000 in a new machine, you'll save $25,000 in corporation tax based on the current 25% tax rate. Full expensing applies to expenditures incurred from the 1st of April 2023 and became a permanent fixture in the 2023 autumn statement. For spend on heating, lighting, air conditioning, electrical systems, lifts and escalators, there is also a first-year allowance that offers a 50% relief on qualifying expenditure in the very first year. The absence of an upper limit on qualifying expenditure makes the full expensing relief particularly beneficial for capital-intensive industries such as manufacturing or real estate. However, it is worth noting there are a few exclusions for second-hand assets and assets leased or hired out. If you'd like to know more about maximising your full expensing claim, feel free to email me or connect with me on LinkedIn.